Welcome to Mom's Kitchen. Today we'll be preparing chili chicken but with a little bit of twist. So let's get started. So we'll start with the first step. We'll marinate the chicken. I've taken boneless chicken pieces. You can see they're not very fat or they're not very thin. Don't make them very fat. It should not be very fat. So I'll put the chicken in here. Okay. Now I'll take some ginger garlic paste, salt, some black pepper, freshly ground, don't take the market ones, and 1 egg. Now we'll give it a good mix. Now we'll be coating each and every single piece in all-purpose flour. It's like we are going to seal it. Like I'll show you one piece and just dip it in the flour. Not too much of flour, but like you just lock the piece in this. And similarly we'll do it to all of them. Now I have taken some water in a teapot in which we make tea, not very small but okay, medium size, and I'm going to put water on boiling point. It's like, this is called poaching. This method is called as poaching. We have to wait till the water comes to a boiling point. Now I'll be putting this marinated chicken slowly by a batch of say 5 or 6 and removing it from this boiling water into this strainer. Put 6. Just smooth it down. Little bit only. It doesn't stick on the surface. Now just for 2 minutes the chicken will come on the surface and then we'll remove it. Okay, now the chicken has come on the surface. It's almost done. Now we'll remove it. You can see the color has changed. It's white. We'll strain it for any excess water. Similarly, we'll cook the remaining, keeping it for around 2 to 3 minutes. poaching, that is putting the chicken in the boiling water, is over. So I'll just check whether it's done or no. You can see here it is. Have a bite. It's white in color. It's good to go. So we'll go on to the next step now. Now we prepared the chili chicken in boiling hot water, which is called poaching as a method. Now we'll proceed to the next step, where there are 5 minutes remaining to make it velvety smooth. That process we'll do as we are preparing the chili chicken. So let's go on. Now I have over here with me is some oil, sesame oil, tomato sauce, chili sauce, soya sauce, and then chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped bulbs of spring onion, and green chilies. And this is chicken stock. Make it a point to take chicken stock only, otherwise the flavor will be very less. And this is vinegar. So we'll start. So first of all, we'll put the sesame oil. A little bit, not much. As the oil is heating, we'll put in some ginger, some garlic, green chili, spring onions. Add the chicken stock to this. Now we'll go by the 3 method. This is 1 spoon of tomato sauce, tablespoon. I have almost 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. That was 1, 2, and this will be 3. Over here we'll be using 2 spoons now, and we'll save 1 spoon for the latter. We'll give it a good mix now. Now we'll put in the chicken. Now we put in salt, some pepper, this freshly ground pepper, and green green chilies cut into halves. If you have the long ones, just put 2. These are small, so I'll use 3 to 4. We'll give this a good stir. Now we'll cover and let this cook for around at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'll check the chicken. It's become 5 to 10 minutes, like almost 15 minutes, and it's done now. Now I'll be thickening the gravy. First I'll be adding vinegar, that is 1 tablespoon. And now with some water, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is 1, this is 2. I made a slurry of this. Now I'll add it to this. I'll put in some capsicums just cut into cubes. And the 1 spoon of soya bean which we saved it. That's all. We close the gas now. Now it's time to taste. So let me just first place a small spoon. Boiled rice. A small bit of this. And just pop this. So soft. You'll never fry it again. Go and make it. It's really good.